Good afternoon. So last class we just started the biggest number. Yes or no? Okay. So all of you please take a notebook and pencil. We will continue from there. Okay. And we only write 2 questions. Okay. Then we are moving to third question. So all of you please take a max notebook and pencil. Let me share the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Tough one. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So I think we completed 2 questions,
ma'am.
A and B. We completed A and B.
Yes.
Now we are going to write C. Okay? C. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And C we have, let me write the question. I will call out the name, they will give the answer. Okay? And C we have
See, we have
5, comma 1,
ma'am.
7, comma
Ma'am,
10.
right?
Yeah, you can continue. C. It's
I'm
number
fresh
C.
fish.
No. Last class we completed 2 questions. There you can continue. A and B we completed no. A and B we completed biggest number.
Yes, ma'am.
And we have to start C, I think.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so C we have the questions. Question here 5, 1, 7, 10. Here we have to find out the biggest number. Okay. Here we have to find out the biggest number. Ivania, tell me answer. Ivania, unmute and tell me answer. The biggest number is 10. See, 5 is a 1 digit number, 1 is a 1 digit number, 7 is a 1 digit number, 10 is a 2 digit number, having 1 space and 10 space. So 10 is the biggest number. Okay, 10 is the biggest number. And next we have C. C we completed. Now next we have D. And it's for Muhammad Rishan. Okay, unmute. And D we have 65, comma 56,
Yes, ma'am.
comma 95, comma 15. So these are the 4 numbers. All numbers are
95.
numbers. Okay, and
95.
wait. 6 tens and 5.
95.
56,
95.
5. Okay.
95.
6 and 6 ones, 95, 9 tens and 5 ones, 1, 15, 1, 10 and 5 ones. So Rishan, which is the biggest?
95.
95. So we
I'm
can.
95.
Okay, good boy. It's 95. Correct answer. So 95 is the biggest number. 95 is the biggest number. And next we have E. Next we have E. Next we have E. And next for Siddharth. Okay, Siddharth. Please, you already unmute. Okay, so you can say the answer for next question. Okay, and E we have 21, comma 81, comma 31, comma 91. These are the numbers. 21, 81, 31, 91. The biggest number?
81. 91.
91. See here, one space, all numbers having 1. Okay, but what about 21? 21 having 2 tens and 1, 1. 81, 8 tens and 1, 1. 31, 3 tens and 1, 1. But 91, 9 and 10s are there. So 91 is the biggest number. 91 is the biggest number. And next we have F. Next we have F. Sorry. And the question for Krishna Priya. Okay, Krishna Priya, unmute and tell me answer. And we have the numbers 35, 55, 25, and 85. Which is the biggest number, Krishna Priya? All numbers are two-digit numbers, and ones place all numbers having 5. But 35, 3 tens and 5 ones. 55, 5 tens and 5 ones. 25, 2 tens and 5 ones. 85, 8 tens and 5 ones. So which is the biggest number? Biggest number is?
85.
Ah, good girl. It is 85. 8 tens and 5 ones. 8 tens and 5 ones. 8 tens and 5 ones. 8 tens and 5 ones.
And we can go to gym.
Tell me louder.
And we can go to gym.
No. It's only up to F. Okay. And if completed, you can put your pencil down. Listen. Put your pencil down and listen to me. Next, we are moving to new topic. It is compare numbers. All of you, please listen to me. Put your pencil down and listen. Okay. So next, we are going to discuss about compare numbers. Okay, you may be heard about the less than, greater than, smaller than, like that. Okay, so today we are going to discuss comparing numbers. Now again I'm going to take the board. I will draw something, then only you can understand. Okay, so let me take.
Ma'am, next Wednesday.
No need to write now. Okay, no need to write now. Listen to me. It's very important. Next, what we are going to discuss. It's very important. Listen to me. Okay, and we are comparing numbers. Compare numbers. No need to write now. Listen to me. Compare numbers. See, I have a box and this is a box. Okay. I have a box and this is a box. And in this box, I have balls. I have balls. Now let us see. Okay. I have one box here. Inside the box, there are balls. I have one more box. I have one more box.
Right.
No. Listen to me. I have one more box. Okay. In that box also, I have balls. I have balls. No need to write now. Listen to me. So I have two boxes here. Okay. I have two boxes. And in the first box, I have balls. Now let me ask you, how many balls are there in the first box? How many balls are there in the red blue box? Let us count. Let us count. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6,
7.
8,
I have how many balls in box 1?
8.
There are 8 balls. Now see the box, a red box. Okay,
5.
let us see the red box. And how many balls are? Let us see. I have 5 box. Sorry, I have 5 balls. Okay. Now you can see in the blue color box I have 8 balls, and red color box I have 5 balls. Which box has more number? Is it the first box or second box? Ah, yes, it's 8 balls. That box has more. So I can say this number 8. Okay, number 8. That is bigger or smaller than 5?
Bigger.
Ah, bigger. It is more than 5. I can write 8 is more than
5.
5. Okay, 8 is more than 5. 5 is small compared to 8. 8 is bigger or 8 is greater than 5. So I can write 8 is more than 5. Or I can say 8 is Greater. This is a new word for me. Greater. The meaning is more itself. Okay. Greater. Greater. 8 is greater than 8 is greater than 5. This more than I can also write greater than. Okay, I can write 8 is more than 5 or 8 is greater than 5. Greater than. Okay. No. Why are you making noise? Listen to ma'am. I will say when you have to take your notebook and pencil. Now you listen to me. Okay. So I will explain once more. I have a blue color box. I have a red color box. And in the blue color box, I have 8 balls. Red color box, I have 5. Okay. So I can say 8 is more than 5. 8 is more than 5. Or I can say 8 is greater than 5. Greater than. Word, greater than. This can write using symbols. Okay. Instead of this word, greater than, I can use a symbol. The symbol for greater than is, see, what's the symbol? This is the symbol. 8 than, greater than, what's the number? 5. Board is gone. Let it come. Okay. 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. That greater than I can change into symbol. Okay. Greater than I can change into symbol. See, for tens we are putting T, no? And ones we are putting O. The same way, this greater than I can put symbol. So what's the symbol? 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. This symbol is called greater than. This symbol is called greater than. Okay. This we will study, and we will also study the other one also. And when we are doing the problems, I will give an easy way to find out what is a symbol or how we will put the symbol in the fill in the blanks. Okay. Now all of you please listen to me once more. So here I have 8 balls and here I have 5 balls. We can see 8 balls are more than 5. Okay. So we can write 8 is more than 5. And 8 is also we can write greater than 5. This greater than, that word we can denote by a symbol. What is the symbol? This is the symbol. Okay. This is the 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. Now, I will show you one more thing. Okay, I will show you one more. It's just opposite. Okay, after that we will move to the next one. Just today we are only discussing. Next day we will write. Okay. Listen here once more. Okay. Now I have another box. Okay. I have another box. It's a green color box. It's a green color box. And in this green color box, I have flowers. Now, flowers.
And another box.
Okay, another. No need to write now. Listen.
And I can
Right now, listen to me. Okay, in this box, I have flowers. And another box is also there. I have another box. And in that box also, I have flowers. I have flowers. I have flowers. Okay, I have flowers. Now let us count how many are there. How many are in the first box? Green color? One, two. There are two flowers. Then what about the 25. See, all of you please be quiet. Let me ask. After that you can tell me the answer. Okay. So this is another box having how many flowers? 1, 2,
5.
There are five flowers. Here we can see here only 2 flowers, but here there are 5 flowers. Okay, so we can write 2 is less.
Less than.
Less. It's having less. Okay, 2 is less than.
Less than.
2 is less than 5. Less means what? Only little. A little. Okay, only a little. Little. 2 is less than 5. This again we can write 2 is smaller. Very small, no? 2 is smaller than
5.
Smaller than 5. Smaller than. Less than also we can write smaller than. 2 is small, but 5 is compared to 2 is greater or more. Okay, so again this smaller than or less than, that we can denote by another symbol. Okay, just opposite of greater than. That means we can write 2 is less than 5. Okay, this symbol is called less than. See, capital letter L, it is like this, no? That you just, you will get a less than symbol. Okay, 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. Symbol is known as
Less than.
2 is less than. Understood? 2 is less than. Now, we will see one more. Okay, one more symbol is there for compare. Who is in between? Some are talking. Please be quiet. Okay. Then we have one more symbol is there. Okay. We have one more symbol. And that we have again one box is there having stars. Having stars. Okay. And I have one more same box. Okay. And also having stars. Okay. How many stars are here? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 stars. What about here? 1, 2, 3. 3 stars. Okay. So we can number. This equal to we can remove by another symbol. What's the symbol? 3. Ah, equal to 3. This will be written as equal to. This is an if both sides are equal, we will use this symbol. This symbol is called equal to. You understood? Equal to you understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, so today we studied greater than, less than and equal to. But there may be confusion about greater than or less than. How we will identify greater than or less than? I will give an easy way to you. Okay. Now I will say one story for that. Okay. Now, see, there was a pond. There was a pond. Pond, you know, pond having water, river, pond. Okay. In that pond, there were many fish. Many fishes are there. Okay. And there is a big fish. And that fish is very hungry. Fish is very hungry. And when she looked at his both sides, he saw small fishes. He saw small fishes. And when we look at the left side, see, let me draw it. Let me draw.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know how to do properly, but I will try. Okay, this is one fish. Is it fish? Is it look like fish? Eh? Yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you. So another fish. No. Listen to ma'am. Today no need to write. Listen to ma'am. You can draw better than me, no? Okay. So one side, left side, he saw some fishes, and other side also.
Some fish.
Some fish. Small fish.
5 fishes.
Who is laughing by looking my fishes? Okay. See, so both sides there are fishes. One big fish is there. Okay, and that fish is very hungry. So he looks both sides. So which side that big fish will go? Is it left side or right side?
Left.
Because left side, how many are there?
5.
5 are there. 5 small fishes are there. What?
5. 2.
2. So no. Here only 2. So that big fish will open. That big fish will open her mouth. Which side? Can you say which side?
Left side.
He will open his mouth. Which side?
Left side.
Having fish, there is more fish. That side he will open. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So here we can write 5. Then that open mouth. This is the open mouth. Okay. 5. That open mouth and 3.
Open
What
mouth.
is the symbol? What is this symbol?
3.
Now. 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. How we will understand? We already studied no comparing numbers, which is the biggest number. See here we can see 5 and 3. Here 5 is the bigger number.
Yes.
Sorry? Tell me. Sorry. It's okay. Sorry, 2 only. Sorry, 2. It's my mistake. Okay, sorry. Thank you. It's 2 only. Okay, it's 2 only. By mistake, I put a 3. Okay, 2. Sorry. So 5 greater than 2. So how we will put this symbol? Here we know 5 and 2 are the numbers. And 5 is the bigger number. So which is the big side is the bigger number.
Yes.
That side the big fish's mouth will be open. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
And see here 5 and 2. 5 is a bigger number. Mouth will be open.
Five.
Now
Five.
I will write another number. See here I write 6.
Greater than
Here I will write 10.
2.
Which number is bigger number? 6 and 10. Which is a bigger number? 10 is a bigger number. So that side the mouth will be open. The side mouth will be
Open.
okay. Or we can say here we can read 5 is greater than 2. Here we can say 5 is 6 is less than 10. See, less than L. Letter L you what we can say tilt. Some tilt. So we can get this symbol. Okay. First we wrote this 5. 5 is greater than 2. Then we wrote the 6 and 10. 10 is a bigger number. So that side will be, the mouth will be open. Okay, the mouth will be open. Then if I write here 3 and 3, which symbol we will use?
Equal.
In both sides we have 3. So, right? If I wrote 99 here, 99 here, which symbol I should write here?
Equal.
It is equal. Okay.
Equal to.
Another one. See, I wrote here 8. Okay. And here only 2. Which is a bigger number?
8.
8. So that side will be, the mouth will be open. The mouth will be open in the bigger number. This mouth will be open. This side is open. Okay. This is closed. This side is open. So now we will move into writing the notebook. Okay. And we will write only today the greater than symbol. And next day we will write the less than symbol. And again we will discuss. Okay. So all of you please take a Max notebook and pencil.
Compare numbers. Ma'am, fresh page.
Fresh page. You have to take fresh page. Take a Max notebook and take fresh page.
Yes, ma'am.
Take a Max notebook and fresh page.
That's not.
Sorry. And we are going to write C-O-M-P-A-R. Compare. C-O-M-P-A-R. Compare. Comparison. Sometimes we will compare with the height, no?
Yes.
Or height, weight, something like that. My brother having more height than me, or my sister having less height than me. We will compare. So compare numbers.
Number.
Compare numbers.
N B
C-O-M-P-A-R-E. Compare. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Compare numbers.
number.
C-O-M-P-A-R-E. Compare. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Compare numbers.
Number. May I go to toilet, ma'am?
Yes. You can go.
Thank you.
Compare numbers.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me. May I going to draw the box?
Ma'am,
Completed.
Yes.
Okay, so you can also draw one box.
I go to toilet.
Yeah, yes. Here also you draw one box. And here you can draw balls. So here if we are counting, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 balls. If you are counting here, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now all of you please write up to this.
7,
COMPARE, compare. NUMBERS, compare numbers.
7.
Compare numbers. Compare numbers and draw these two boxes. Okay, first box we have 8 balls, then the next box we have 5 balls.
പതിനൊന്ന് പന്ത്രണ്ട്
So first box we have 8 balls, second box we have 5 balls.
മതി വാ.
Ma'am, right.
ഇല്ലമ്മ
Muhammad Rishwan completed.
Yes.
Okay. So which is more, 8 or 5?
8.
8 is more. So we can write. We can write 8 is completed. 8 is MORE, more. 8 is more. THAN, more than. 8 is more than 5. 8 is more than 5. 8 is more than 5. 8 is more than 5.
Right.
Yeah, you can write. What is the meaning of more? Means more in number. More in number. 8 is more than 5. Here 8 means it is more. 5 means less. So we can write 8 is more than 5.
Great.
Or instead of this more than, we can write another word that is greater than. So I can write 8 is greater than. GR
G
GREATER, greater. 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. GREATER, greater. 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5.
It is greater than 5.
Okay, now instead of greater than, we can use a symbol. Okay, what is a symbol? Now you can write the symbol
The
I-M-B-O-L. The symbol
symbol. It is
for
symbol
Greater,
Five.
greater than. The
for
symbol for greater than is
Plus
the symbol for greater than is, this is the symbol. Instead of this greater than words, we can use a symbol. So we can write
the 5
8 greater than
Adam.
5. Greater than 5.
is
8 is greater than 5.
is
8 is greater than 5. This symbol we will read as greater than. This symbol we will you read as greater than.
brown
8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. The symbol for greater than is, today I'm giving you only one symbol. It should be thorough for you, okay? And 8 is greater than 5. Only have to think where will be that mouth of the fish will be open. Where, which side is the bigger number? That side the mouth will be. Which side the greater number? That side the mouth will be open. So here 8 is more. 8 is a bigger number compared to 5. The mouth of the fish will be open. Okay, thank you. So we will continue next day. Okay.
Finish.
Bye. See you next day. Thank you. Thank you all.
Okay, ma'am. See you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. 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 Thank you, ma'am. Bye. 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 Bye.
See you next day.